Hello friends, I am Urvi. Welcome to my channel Urvi Top Up Classes. Today I am going to explain you about parts of sentences. In my previous video, I have committed that I will share a video with you about the topic parts of sentence. If you have not watched my previous video, kindly go and watch. It was about word phrases and sentences. So let's begin with our new chapter with a new topic, parts of sentences. What are parts of sentences? The sentence is having two parts, subject and predicate. So sentence is having two parts, subject and predicate. Okay, so let's take a brief explanation of the chapter in 2 or 3 words. Mohan is reading well. Mohan is reading well. In this sentence, Mohan is the subject and is reading well is the predicate. How? To understand this, why Mohan is the subject and why is reading well is the predicate, you need to watch my video till end to get explained about or get the full topic in a descriptive manner. Okay, so let's begin. You are somewhat familiar about the subject and the predicate. So let's start with the first, our subject. What is a subject? A subject is the doer of the sentence. Of the person who does the action is known as the subject. So let's write the correct definition of our subject. It is the part which names the person or a thing we are speaking about or called subject of the sentence. Okay, so here the definition is the part which names the person or a thing we are speaking about or called subject of the sentence. To understand it better, let us take a help of an example. The children's are playing in the garden. In the garden. So here, what are children doing? What are children doing? The subject usually asks a question, but it's not actually that what children are doing. The children are playing. So it usually asks a question. So here, the children is the doer, or the children are doing the action. Like playing in the garden is done by whom? By children. So it is our subject. Next we will proceed towards our predicate. Predicate. What is a predicate? What is a predicate? The doer does the action. The action done by the doer is known as the predicate. Means the what doer does. Like the children, what are the children doing? They are playing in the garden. So the playing in the garden is our predicate. So to understand it better, let's take its definition. The part which tells something about the subject are called predicate. The parts which tells something about the subject are known as or are called predicate of the sentence. Like, to understand it better as we have done in subject, we will take an example. Here I will give the example of saying this. The children are playing in the garden. Why? Because to understand our concept clearly. If you will understand the concept once, it will help you and you can apply it each and everywhere. So we will take the reference of the first sentence only in the predicate also. So the children are playing in the garden. In this sentence, the children is the doer or the subject because they are doing the action. And the action done by the children means are playing in the garden is the predicate. This is the predicate. Why? Because the children are the subject and the action done by the children are playing in the garden is the predicate. So this is our this is all for today. Let's take a recap of the chapter. Today I have explained about parts of sentences. First we have discussed subject, the part which names the person or a thing we are speaking about or called subject. We have took an example and the same example we have took here also to understand it clearly. And the second we have taken the example, second we are studying predicate, the parts which tell something about the subject are called predicate of the sentence. So my friends, this is for all today. If you liked, if you learned something from my video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And now we will meet in my next video with a new topic. Thank you.